Hello everybody. Today we are going to start a new grammar topic and the name of the topic is tenses. It is very important topic. It is said that tenses are backbone of English or English grammar. Like in human body we cannot stand without backbone. Am I right? Can we stand without backbone? No. In the same way, almost English, or we can say almost English grammar depends on tenses. So, be attentive, have an attention while learning tenses. So, let's get started. Tense means time. What I said? Tense means time, and time means what is time now? What is time now in your wristwatch or wall clock? Not here. That time not here. Time, tense means time, and time means present time, past time or future time. Clear? And tense is a form of a verb. What is a form of a verb? Already I had taught you while teaching verbs. In short, in brief, I had taught you. Let me explain some more detail about a form of a verb. Let me go cross so that you could understand this topic perfectly. There are mainly 4 forms of verbs. They are present, past, past participle and present participle. Or we can say verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 and verb 4. Or we can say V1, V2, V3, or we can say V4, or we can say V1 plus ing, V1 plus ing form. These are all called forms of verbs. Let me repeat once. Tense means time, and tense is a form of a verb which indicates time of an action or event. It shows what tense. It shows when the action happens, happened or will happen. There are 3 tenses are there. They are present, past, and future. As I told you, there are 3 tenses are there. They are present, or we can say present tense, past tense and future tense. Clear? Now, let me explain what is present or present tense. Present tense, it is used to denote an action, an event that happens now in the present time. Then past tense. Past tense, it is used to denote an action that took place earlier. Then future tense. Future tense is used to denote an action that yet to take place, or in simple words we can say is going to take place. Do you understand what is present tense, past tense and future tense? Now let me write few examples of these tenses. Have a look at the board. Here I have written 3 examples. The first one is I make breakfast every day. Here in this sentence the verb make refers the present time. So the verb which refers the present time is called present tense. Then second sentence, I made breakfast yesterday. Here in the second sentence the verb made refers the past time. So the verb which refers the past time is said to be past tense. Then third example, third sentence, I will make breakfast tomorrow. Here in the third example, third sentence, will make, or we can say the verb will make refers the future time. So the verb which refers the future time is known as future tense. Do you understand? And apart from these verbs in this sentence, every day, yesterday, tomorrow refer present, past and future time respectively. So do you understand what is present tense, past tense and future tense? Then each and every tense, present tense, past tense and future tense, each and every tense is further divided into 4 different forms. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So there are generally 12 tenses are there in English. Mainly there are 3 tenses and generally there are 12 tenses are there. What are they? We will be learning in next classes. We will learn in our upcoming video lectures. That's all for today.